Good evening, students. I hope you and your family are safe and well, and you are doing your studies sincerely and on regular basis. So, after that, students, today I am going to start from this paragraph, that is, due to historical and cultural reasons, there is a division of labor between man and women in the family. Women generally look after domestic chores and men work in the fields. Sakal's mother Sheila cooks food, cleans utensils, washes clothes, cleans the house and looks after her children. Sakal's father Bhutta cultivates the field, sells the produce in the market and earns money for the family. So students, as all of you know that there is a history who tells us about the differentiation between men and women at that time, and it was thought that women always made for the housework, just like cleans the house, looks after her children, or cleans utensils, washes clothes. All these household chores were meant for the women's. And Sheila's father Bhutta, he cultivates the field and sells the surplus production in the market to earn the money for the livelihood of his family. Sheila is not paid for the services delivered for upbringing of the family. Bhutta earns money which he spends on rearing his family. His students, there is difference between Sheila and Bhutta is that Sheila is not paid for the services which she is serving to her family, but Bhutta earns money which he spends on rearing his family. So both Sheila and Bhutta provide services their family, but the difference is only that Sheila is not paid for her services, but Bhutta paid money for which he is considered the most important or bread earner of the family. Women are not paid for their service delivered in the family. The household work done by women is not recognized in the national income. So whatever household work done by the women, whatever she is serving to the to her family, that is not included in the national income, because women are not paid for their services delivered in the family. Geeta, mother of Vilas, earned an income by selling fish. Thus, women are paid for their work when they enter the labor market. Their earning, like that of their male counterpart, is determined on the basis of education and skill. Students, here, opposite to the Sheila, Geeta, mother of Vilas, she earned an income by selling fish in the market. So Geeta paid money. Geeta paid for the services which she is delivered in the market. The form of selling fish. Thus, women are paid for their work when they enter the labor market. Here, Geeta is doing the labor, which she is selling fishes in the market. Here, education towards the growth of society also. It enhances the national income, cultural richness, and increases the efficiency of governance. There is a provision made. Education helps individual to make better use of the economic opportunities available before him. Education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. So as Geeta was selling fish in the market, was doing labor, because she had no education and skill. So education helps individual to make better use of the economic opportunities. If we have better education, we can get higher position jobs in our future. So if education and skill are there, you can get best opportunities in your future. Education and skill are the major determinants of the earning of any individual in the market. As more education and skill you have, as more income you can earn. A majority of women have meager education and low skill formation. Women are paid low compared to men. As all of you know that women and men differentiation is there, in which women are paid low while men paid high. Most women work where job security is not there. Various activities relating to legal protection is meager. Employment in this sector is characterized by irregular and low income. In this sector, there is an absence of basic facilities like maternity leave, child care, and other social security systems. However, women with high education and skill formation are paid at par with the men. Among the organized sector, teaching and medicine attract them the most. Some women have entered administrative and other services, including jobs that need high levels of scientific and technological competence. So here students, when a woman have more knowledge and skill, she can earn better. But if she has not any education, better education and skill with her, then she is not able to earn high income in the market. A highly educated woman can be earn income as compared to the man, but an uneducated or illiterate woman cannot earn up to the mark. There are two types of sectors, organized sector and unorganized sectors. Women, those who work in organized sectors, they get medical leave, maternity leave and other facilities. But those who work in unorganized sector like Geeta's mother of Vilas, so they did not get any facility from an unorganized sector.